Welcome back to my channel. How to send your first shipment to Amazon FBA. If you're an online seller, Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon FBA service can help you manage your inventory and ship your products to customers more efficiently. FBA allows you to store your products in Amazon's warehouses, and Amazon will handle all of the picking, packing, and shipping of your products. Sending your first shipment to Amazon FBA can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get your products to Amazon's warehouse and start selling on Amazon FBA. Step 1. Set up your Amazon FBA account. Before you can start sending your products to Amazon FBA, you'll need to set up an Amazon FBA account. You can sign up for an Amazon FBA account by visiting the Amazon Seller Central website and following the prompts to register. Once you have an Amazon FBA account, you'll need to set up your FBA shipment settings. This includes choosing the fulfillment centers you want to ship to, setting up shipping labels and packaging requirements, and choosing the shipping method you want to use. Step 2. Prepare your products for shipment. Before you can send your products to Amazon FBA, you need to prepare them for shipment. This includes making sure your products are properly labeled and packaged. Labeling requirements. Amazon requires that all products shipped to FBA be properly labeled with a unique product identifier, UPC, EAN, ISBN, or ASIN, and a barcode. You can purchase UPC codes from GS1 or other third-party providers. If you don't have a barcode, Amazon will generate one for you. Packaging requirements. Amazon has strict packaging requirements that must be followed to avoid damage during shipping. Your products should be packed in sturdy, corrugated boxes that are able to support the weight of your products. If your products are fragile or have special requirements, additional packaging materials may be necessary. Step 3. Create your shipment plan. Once your products are properly labeled and packaged, it's time to create your shipment plan. Your shipment plan tells Amazon which products you're sending, how many of each product, and which fulfillment center you want to ship to. To create your shipment plan, you'll need to log into your Amazon FBA account and go to the Manage FBA Inventory section. From there, click on the Send/Replenish Inventory button and follow the prompts to create your shipment plan. Step 4. Print your shipping labels. After you've created your shipment plan, Amazon will generate shipping labels for you to print and attach to your boxes. Make sure to print your labels on adhesive paper and attach them securely to your boxes. You can use a label printer or print them on regular paper and attach them with packing tape. Step 5. Send your shipment to Amazon FBA. Once your products are labeled, packaged, and your shipping labels are attached, it's time to send your shipment to Amazon FBA. There are two ways to send your shipment to Amazon FBA: through Amazon's Partnered Carrier Program or through your own carrier. Partnered Carrier Program. Amazon has partnered with a number of carriers, including UPS and FedEx, to offer discounted shipping rates to FBA sellers. To take advantage of these rates, you can create a shipment in your Amazon FBA account and choose the Amazon Partnered Carrier option. Amazon will provide you with shipping labels.